In 1934, during the Great Depression, Chicago brothers Phillip and Prescott Huyssen decided to make lemonade out of lemons, or a scooter out of a bike, or a bike out of a scooter? They essentially took a bike and threw out everything that makes it go, and came up with another way to get the wheels turning. Their result was a bicycle with no pedals, no chains, and no gears. Instead, it was powered by bouncing. The Ingo Bike, also called the Exercycle, was engineered so brilliantly that it caught the attention of Hollywood stars and even raced at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Despite its unique design and novel frame, the Ingo only lasted 3 years on the market before becoming obsolete. The Ingo Bike's genius lay in its eccentric rear wheel. As the wheel spins, the riding platform rises and falls in a smooth sine wave pattern, just inches from the ground. Riding requires synchronizing body movements to the wheel's motion. During the platform's downstroke, the rider pulls on the handlebars and squats, storing energy in the springy platform like a compressed spring. During the upstroke, the rider pushes forward and stands, releasing that energy into the wheel. Pull squat, then push stand, repeated in rhythm. Riders could reach 15 miles per hour once they mastered the rhythm. This bike demands constant and precise input. Lose the rhythm and the bike loses momentum instantly. There's no coasting on the Ingo. When the bike was introduced in 1934, it cost $24.95 brand new, about $584 in 2026, and it made an immediate cultural splash. Hollywood embraced it. Rita Hayworth, an American actress and dancer in the 1940s, and other studio stars were photographed riding Ingo bikes to get around Hollywood lots between rehearsals and shoots. The bike even appeared in a Three Stooges film called Yes, We Have No Bonanza, where curly rides went up to an Old West saloon instead of arriving on a horse. On the opposite coast, tourists rented Ingo bikes in Central Park. Races were held across the country, including at the legendary Indianapolis Motor Speedway. For a brief moment in the mid-1930s, the Ingo Bike seemed destined for success. However, the bike didn't last long in popular culture. Its downfall wasn't due to lack of interest, though. It was a manufacturing problem. The constant flexing of the riding platform caused cracks, especially where the rear wheel met the platform. Fixing these cracks required a skilled welder, making repairs very expensive. For a novelty purchase, that was a deal breaker. By the end of 1937, just 3 years after the Ingo's launch, prices had collapsed from $24.95 to only $5, or around a drop from $584 to $117 in today's money. Manufacturing issues and poor sales forced production to cease entirely. Today, the Owl's Head Transportation Museum keeps an Ingo bike in its collection, maintaining a piece of transportation history that changed how people thought about human-powered transportation, if only for a moment. While the Ingo bike never became the future of transportation like the brothers hoped, it remains a testament to human curiosity to create, experiment, and serves as proof that sometimes the most interesting failures teach us the most.